And the World Baseball Classic continues today with Team USA and Team Great Britain facing off. But this international tournament hits close to home. A Mosley alum, Jaden Rudd, takes the field for Team Great Britain. In the top of the first, Britain puts up an early run, but fast forward to the top of the second. Rudd drives it out shallow right for a base hit. The hit off future Hall of Famer Adam Wainwright to secure his spot on first, but he was left stranded. Rudd out in left field with a couple outs, including the grab of Jeff McNeil's fly ball to close out the third. The star-studded American roster powering back, leading 6-2 in the bottom of the eighth. Rudd 1 for 2 at-bats so far on the night.